Hello friends, I am your Noor sir. This is my new video on Google Classroom. Today I am going to explain you how to ask short answer and multiple choice question in Google Classroom. So let's start. To ask a question, click Classwork tab, click Create, click Question. A question window appears. Now in the question box, write down the question. Suppose I am writing. Now a teacher can ask two type of question. Number one, short answer type question, and number two, multiple choice question. For short answer type question, one have to write a response, and for multiple choice question, one have to select an option. So I am selecting here short answer. Now come to the next box, that is instruction. If you want to write some instruction, write it here or leave it as blank. A question may also have attachment. If you want to add an attachment with the question, here you have four options. If you want to add an attachment from your Google Drive, click Google Drive. If you want to attach a link, a website link, then click link. If you want to add an attachment from your device, click file. And if you want to add a YouTube video, click YouTube. Apart from this, if you want to create a new document as an attachment, click create. Here you find 5 options. Out of 5, you can select any one to create a document as an attachment. Now move over to for. If you want to ask to one or more class, then under for, you can select the class or if you want to ask a question to all the students or an individual, select it from here. So I am selecting all students here. Now come to the point option. Here you can change the point value of a question or make the question ungraded. By default, question are set at 100 points. If you want to allot new point value, then click the point value and enter new point. Suppose I am entering 5 points for this question. Now move over to the due. If you want to add a due date or time, then you select it here or leave as it is. Now under topic, you can create a new topic or select the topic available in the list. As I have already created a topic, Introduction to Java, so I am selecting Introduction to Java. For short answer question, students may reply to each other and edit their answer. You can turn these options on and off. Here you see two options are available. Let's discuss it. The first one is student can reply to each other. This allows student to view and comment on classmate answer after answering the question. Second is student can edit answer. This allows student to edit their answer after submitting. By default, the student can reply to each other is selected. You can turn these options on or off. To ask a question immediately, click ask. If you want to post later, then click schedule. If you want to save the question as draft, then click save draft and send it later on. And if you want to discard this, then click discard draft. So I am asking the question, click ask. Now here you see under the topic Introduction to Java, a question have been asked. Now click the question. Now here you see that this question is assigned to 3 students. Now click the stream tab. Now here you see a message is posted on the stream about the question. Now move over to the student view. Now on the stream, the student have got a message from the class that a question is posted. Now click to the classwork tab. Now click the question. Now click view question. Now here you see the question, what is the capital of India, and you have to write the answer over here. Write down the answer. Now here you can send the private comments or you can send the comment to the entire class. Now after entering the answer, you just click the turn in button. So I am clicking the turn in button. A submit answer box appear and it asks you won't be able to make changes to your answer after your submit. It means if you turn it, you cannot make any changes. So I am click turn in. In this way, you have answered the question assigned by your teacher. Now, if you want to see the answer of your classmate, then click classmate answer tab. Now here, you see the answer of your classmate also. So here, one of your classmate have replied. Now come to the teacher's view. Now click classwork tab, click the question. Here you see out of 3, 2 students have replied. Click view question. Now here you see the answer given by the students. Now I am giving the mark to the student. Just click the student and give the mark. Suppose the answer is right. I am giving 5 out of 5. For other students, I am also giving 5 out of 5. One student have not answered. Just leave it. After giving the marks, you have to return it. So click return. A box appear showing you the detail of the students. Click return. Now 2 submissions written. Now switch over to the student view. Click classwork. Click the question. Now here you see the answer is graded. To view the question, click view question. Now here you see that your answer is graded and you have got 5 out of 5 marks. If you want to send private comment to the teacher, you may write over here, or if you want to send a message to your class, you can write it here. If you want to see the classmate answer, just click the classmate answer tab Now here the student can see all the answers given by his classmates. So in this way you can ask a question to the student. Now how to ask a multiple choice question? Let's see. Click classwork tab, click create, click question. Now in the question box write down the question you want to ask. I am writing. Now here there are two options. Now here I will select multiple choice question. Now in the instruction, if you want to write the instruction, you may write or leave it as blank. Now click the option 1 and enter the first answer option. I am writing. Now click add to add second option. If you want to add more, then click add, write down the third option. If you want to add more option, you just click the add option and add as many options as you want. To add attachment to the question, just click add and select any one option, or if you want to create a new document, you just create out of 5. Now move over to the for. If you want to ask a question from a specific class, then you can select the class, or if you want to ask a question from the students or an individual, select the student. Now move over to the points. Now here you can change the point value or make the question ungraded. I am assigning 5 marks for this question, so just I am writing 5. Move to the due. If you want to ask this question to a specific date and time, then select the due date and time, otherwise leave as it is. Now under topic, select the topic or create a new one. I am selecting introduction to Java. Now here you see an option which is already checked. Student can see class summary. What does it mean? By default, when student turn in a question, they see a class summary of answers. If you don't want the students to see the class summary, you just unchecked it. It means now students will not see the class summary. Here I am selecting this option. Now move over to the ask a question. To ask a question immediately, click ask. If you want to post later, then click schedule. And if you want to save the question as draft, click save draft. And if you want to discard, then discard draft. Now here I am asking the question. I click ask. Now here you see the question asked by the teacher to the students. To see the details, click it. Now here you see that this question is assigned to 3 students and all these are the options. Now move to the stream tab. Now here you see a message, a new question is posted. Now move to the student view. Now click classwork. Now click the question. Now click view question. Now here you see the question. JVM stands for, all these are the options available. Select the correct option and turn in. A submit answer box appear. Click turn in. Now here you see that you have replied to this question. Now move over to the teacher's view. Click classwork tab. Now here you see 2 students have given the answer of this question. Click view question. If you want to see the question, just click question tab. So here you see the question. You have asked to see the student answer. Click student answer tab. Now here you see 2 have turned in. Click the correct answer option. It shows that both the students have opted the option number 1. If it is right, then give them the marks. The answer is right, so I am awarding the marks. I am giving 5 for the first and another 5 for the second student. Here you see the first student have select the first option, which is right, and the second student have also select the first option, which is also right. Click return. A box appear. Click return. Now move over to the student view. Click classwork tab. Now click the question. Click view question. Now here you see your answer is graded. You have got 5 out of 5 for this question. So in this way you may ask a multiple choice question. Hope you understand how to ask a question in Google Classroom. Students, do not forget to subscribe my channel, share this video and give your likes to this video. Thank you and may God bless you all.